Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you are doing good. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? இந்த வீடியோ தமிழில் பார்க்கணும்னு நினச்சோம் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்க லிங்கை செக் பண்ணுங்க. In this video, we're gonna see about how to fix dual pendrive issue. Check the status on opening disk manager by right-clicking on my PC, then select manage. Then it will open a window like this. Here, open the disk management option. Here we can see all the disk attached to the system and their status. Here the disk named disk 2 is my pendrive. Last time I used it to install Windows 10, it got some issues. Okay, now we will see how to fix this. First, do normal format of the pendrive. Some case it will solve the issue. I'm also changing the pendrive name while formatting. Wait, take some time to format. Then it will work for some cases. If it does not work, we will try it other method. Yeah, it's formatted, but the issue not is resolved, so we will try another method. Before that, I can open the disk management and check everything is fine on the RAM. Click on disk management and check if the disk is fine or any red dots are showing. Everything looks fine. Okay, we can go ahead with the new method. Open the CMD as administrator, right click and run as administrator. If you are not the administrator, you have to give as at this point. I'm giving yes, and we open the CMD in the administrator mode. Now follow the commands. Type disk and press enter. Now we can select the disk. Before that, we can see all the disk attached to our system by this command. This it will display all the disk attached to our system. We had issue in our disk 2. That is our pendrive. So we need to select that disk. For that, we can select it by using this command. Select disk in. Select disk plus 2. Now the disk is selected. Now we can clean the disk by simply the command clean. Press enter. It will take some time to clean the drive. It's cleaner now. Now we have to create a partition for our pen drive. For that, we can use this command. Create partition primary. After pressing enter, it will create a partition for our pen drive. After this, we have to format a drive. For some cases, it will show by default pop-up to format a disk. If it's not shown, we can do it by manually using this CMD. Now see how to do it manually. Get back to the CMD and type this command. Format fs is equal to FAT32 quick. Then press enter. It will forward our pen drive. Then we have 2 more steps to go. Please wait until the format has been completed. Now it has been completed. Now we need to activate. It will be easily activated by the command activate. Now we need to assign. Just type the command assign and press enter. Now we can use our pen drive as usual. Now it's been ready. We can see that my pen drive has only one drive. We can copy paste our data and we can use our pen drive normally. Now I am checking from my PC. Here also showing only one drive. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. Do subscribe to this channel. More useful videos on the way. Be strong and stay motivated. See you in next video. Bye.